So one of the types of fields that you can actually go ahead and add in inside of Jotform is a numeric slider widget so that people can actually slide and select a number interactively. So to do that, you need to go ahead and click on Add Element and then go under Widgets. And then once you go ahead and scroll down, you will be able to see the numeric slider right here. As I were to click on it, you can see the numeric slider. So I'm just going to go around and say select the number of estimates, let's say for example. Then you can choose the min value to, let's say for example 50 to, let's say for example 2000 right here. And then you simply have the slider right here, the numeric slider. You can add in a default value as well. So let's say I'm going to add it as 75. You can change the let's say style to vivid or legacy right here, just like this. And then add in a custom CSS as well. Let's just go ahead and click on update now. And then I'm going to go ahead and preview out the form now. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is the slider. You can click and drag, and then you can see a particular number range right here. So let me just go ahead and turn it off and then go around over here onto widget right here. Then you can make the changes to vivid as well. So now if I were to go around over here onto properties, you can align this to left, you can align to center, align to right here. And then you can enable and disable the label as you want as well. And then I can go ahead and say select the range you want right here, just like this. So now as I do that, you can change around the width and height as well. So you can go around onto 600 with, you can change around the height, the space that it takes as well right here. But it does not really matter because this is horizontal graphics anyway. You can make it required or not right here and work around with other advanced settings as you want as well. So let me just go around over here onto preview form now. And once you do that, you got this numerical format in a modern format. So you can go ahead and click and drag it and keep it wherever you want. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the numeric slider widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.